Medong kareng tourism major events keng bangsa ngening banwang 2024 ing Philippine International Hot Air Balloon Fiesta at 24 years na. At king mumunang pamikatagon, marapat siya ini king New Clark City, king Tarlac, king daratang February 16 to 18. Agpangkang Captain Joy Roa, presidente ning festival, malaw siya ini king traditional runway setup, antimo king gagawan dati king Clark.
Medyo naiiba yung ating activity today, this coming February. One, because we're not in the airport. So, unlike before, may isang runway, lahat tayo nanonood sa side. I think this time will be very interesting because we will have balloons taking off from all over.
Makapagmula lang aerial show kanu ing ipakit da rin nga suking a 20 participants ay iba't kareng ngiyaliwang bangsa. Bida ng Roa, mayap yang pamikatago ni kareng manipon king karelang memory bank, uling dakal family-oriented activities, apiyabayan da rin mi papamilya.
We're also putting a lot of activities for children so that people will stay in the area for the whole day. So it's a family outing for them to stay the whole day. We have rides for kids. We have animals for the kids to play around. We have rides and we have a lot of restaurants are coming. May mga nag-rent na ng food booths and food trucks.
Suportado naman kanuning Bases Conversion and Development Authority o BCDA ing tourism activity ngayon niya ing 60 hectares ay espasyo, malyari dalang gamitan, ding pakatikdo a pasalidad.
So they will be utilizing the stadium, the 20,000-seater stadium, the open spaces in the area, including the aquatic center, no? So and also of course the infrastructure around, no, the roads around it. So around it will be like in a 60-hectare site.
At pauli na ring event, atino kanong coordination ng BCDA, amibus nila ring access road manibatan SCTEX NCC interchange at ing alternate route manibatan mabalakat kimbayong iconic bridge ng NCC.
So ang mangyayari diyan, so when we will open it, in fact I asked my team, no, in coordination with Captain Joy, gumawa ng mga flyers how to get there, no, if you're coming from Tarlac, if you're coming from Manila, if you're coming from Clark, what will be the easiest way to go there? Of course, kung ako lang ang tatanungin, gusto ko padaan na doon sa bagong kalsada kasi ma-impress sila. So yung bridge na yon, bubuksan na, so tuloy-tuloy yon. So in less than 15 minutes, andun ka na sa New Clark City.
Samantala, agpang Tarlac Governor Susan Yap iya sa daneng 5 banwang marapat king NCC ing Hot Air Balloon Festival bang kanitang makapagpasikan king tourism industry emu Tarlac nune king Central Luzon.
Yes, this coming February, right after the Valentine's, you can come over to New Clark City, witness the hot air, the 24th hot air balloon starting February 22. Bring the entire family because it's going to be fun, and Captain Joy Roa and President Jake Bincang has promised, and of course Tarlac has promised for sure a very memorable experience for all of you.
Samantala, panaligan na naman din business sector ang maragulyang oportunidad ing mesabing tourism event king pamagpasiknanda renga suking hospitality industry. Agpanggang Rene Romero, past president ng Pampanga Chamber of Commerce and Industry Incorporated.
I would say, siguro kung may holiday season tayo ng Christmas, no? From November to January, doblehin mo yon kapag ka may balloon fiesta tayo dito. Kasi magsuswarm yung tao eh. Ang population na guess about 40,000 to 60,000 a day? 120,000 for 3 days or 4 days. Dati 4 days eh. Ngayon nag 3 days lang. Biro mo yun, 120 times 3 days na magbibigay ng gagastos dito.
Para kang interesadong akit live ding Higanteng Globo, atin yakan nung online booking ing website ng Philippine Hot Air Balloon Fiesta. Malyari la naman kanong magpabook reng turista, kareng tourist hub king Clark ang poking Tarlac. Ako yung kayong talasuyo ay Paulo G. Santos, ating pusong makabalen.